In this video, we will make a comparison between Windows 10 and the new Windows 11. One of the most obvious changes is the Start menu and the new taskbar positioned in the center. This makes it a bit like macOS, but you can change the position back to the left like the old Windows. The Start menu looks much simpler and minimalistic. The applications are no longer on the left, but at the top of the menu in a static list, and below it are frequent or recently added documents. The list of applications can be extended, and the applications can be fixed and arranged according to preference. Also, on Windows 11, you will not find live tiles as on Windows 10. Microsoft has compressed the search box into a simple icon that opens a larger box with search subcategories, apps, web, documents, and more. Also, you will not find Cortana, but you must download it if you need to. The Start menu icon now has equal sides and looks better. Applications opened in the taskbar are no longer surrounded by a large white square, but by a transparent square with rounded edges, and are marked with a larger line if you are in that application and a smaller line if the application is idle. Microsoft has also introduced a bouncing effect when you open an application from the taskbar, and actions such as downloading or alerting have been changed. And if on Windows 10 you could fix an application in the activation bar only by drag and drop, on the new Windows you can't do that anymore. Goodbye sharp corners. Windows 11 uses rounded corners for everything from windows to menus, buttons, or notifications. Also, the icons have been changed, which look much better now. In terms of sound, the new window has different sounds for dark mode or light mode, but let's compare them. On Windows 10, the Notification Center and some quick settings were accessed separately. On Windows 11, we have the integrated notifications at the top of the calendar, and the quick settings are positioned separately. From here, we have access to volume, brightness, internet connectivity, and others. In Windows 10, they have a separate button. In terms of multitasking, Windows 10 allows the positioning of several windows simultaneously, dividing the screen into 4 zones with drag and drop. In Windows 11, Snap Layouts has been introduced, which makes it easier to open multiple windows simultaneously. You can choose one of the templates, and then the selected windows and applications will be fixed automatically and resized accordingly. Related to applications, Microsoft has made changes here as well. On Windows 10, the Microsoft Store looks totally different, minimalist, and organized. The Skype application that came pre-installed on Windows 10 has been removed to introduce Microsoft Teams. Internet Explorer was also removed, which came pre-installed on the old Windows, now with Microsoft Edge. New applications have been introduced, such as Windows Terminal, Snipping Tool with more editing options, Better Computer with graphical representation functions, and applications such as Mail and Calendar that look better. Compared to Windows 10, the Clock app comes with a new feature, Focus Sessions, by adding a stopwatch, music on Spotify, and integrating Microsoft to-do lists. If Windows 10 has dynamic tiles and news and interests, Windows 11 comes with widgets. These are now in the taskbar and open a window with various widgets which can also be customized. In terms of performance, Windows 11 is faster and more efficient than Windows 10 according to Microsoft's presentation. The new Windows has the ability to prioritize the applications you use most at that time to give them more hardware resources compared to those running in the background. Moreover, the Microsoft Edge browser has the File Inactive function, which is activated by default and puts open and unused tabs to rest after a certain time. These are the most important features brought to the new Windows from our point of view, and the comparison between the two operating systems can help you better visualize the differences. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you in the next video.